Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Inorganic Chemistry. This is our practical session. Myself Mrs. Urmila Ravindra Gaudi, MPharm in Quality Assurance and currently lecturer in KK Wagh Institute of Pharmacy, Chandori, Nasik. So let's start with identification test. Experiment number 25. Title of the experiment: to perform and report identification test on given sample of ammonium chloride as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. Learning objective: after watching this video, student will able to understand the intellectual skill, that means to understand the concept of experiment. Motor skill: to identify the physical property, to observe the solubility in water and different solvent, and to observe the precipitation form in the test. New concept. Proposition first. Organoleptic description. It involves the information of organoleptic description, means nature, its color, odor, taste of the drug. Then proposition 2. Solubility. Solubility parameter are indicated by descriptive terms and which are mainly intended to apply at 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. This is a table which describe us description terms and its approximate solubility per 1 gram of solute. Proposition 3. Identification test. These are the tests which are verify that the article being examined is in accordance with the label on the container. Failure of an article taken from the label container to meet the requirement of prescribed identification test indicated that the article may be mislabeled or substituted. These tests are not necessarily sufficient to establish absolute proof of identity. Proposition 4. Pharmaceutical category. It is used as expectorant, diuretic and systemic acidifier. General concept structure. First of all, start with description of the drug, then solubility in different solvents such as water and alcohol. Identification test which are enlisted in the Indian Pharmacopoeia, and after performing these all the tests we got whether sample complies or does not complies the test as per Indian Pharmacopoeia. So let's start with the apparatus which are required for identification test. Glassware, test tube, graduated pipette and test tube stand. Then chemicals: 95% alcohol, ammonium chloride, sodium hydroxide solution, light magnesium oxide, 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, methyl red solution, freshly prepared 10% weight by volume solution of potassium cobalt nitrate, diphenyl carbazide solution, dilute ammonia, dilute nitric acid, potassium dichromate and sulfuric acid. Now for the actual practical we move towards the laboratory. Hello friends, welcome in Pharmaceutical Chemistry Laboratory. Today we are going to deal with identification test. So let's start with identification. First of all, let's start with description. This is our powder, white colored crystalline powder, which is almost odorless and tasteless. Let's start with solubility in different solvent. First of all, we have to check the solubility into the water. Start with solubility. Take our sample and add water and check the solubility. In water it is freely soluble. Then check the solubility into the 95% ethanol. For that again take sample and add ethanol. In ethanol it is sparingly soluble. Start with identification test. First, heat the few milligram of given sample with the sodium hydroxide solution. Take sample and add sodium hydroxide solution and heat this solution. After heating, we have to check the litmus paper. Moist blue litmus paper does not change into red color, that means it remains blue, that means given sample is alkaline. Now next test to the solution of ammonium chloride, means this is the solution of ammonium chloride. Add 0.2 gram of magnesium oxide, light magnesium oxide. Shake it properly, dissolve it, and add 1 ml of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid and 0.05 ml of methyl red solution. This is the mixture of 1 molar hydrochloric acid and 0.05 ml of methyl red. So we have to take 1 ml of this solution and add into this. The color of solution changes to yellow color after addition of 1 ml of mixture of hydrochloric acid and methyl red. Now further we have to add 1 ml of freshly prepared 10% weight by volume sodium solution of sodium cobalt nitrate and add into this solution. On addition of sodium cobalt nitrate, here the yellow color crystals are obtained. Test first. First of all, take 0.1 gram of sample. Then add 2 ml of water. Dissolve it properly. Acidify it with dilute nitric acid. And add 0.5 gram ml of silver nitrate. A curdy white precipitate is produced, which is not soluble in dilute nitric acid, but it is soluble in dilute ammonia solution. precipitate dissolve on the addition of ammonia. And it is again reprecipitated by addition of dilute nitric acid. Next test, take 0.2 gram of sample, add 0.2 gram of potassium dichromate which is previously weighed, and add 1 ml of concentrated H2SO4. Now add 1 ml of concentrated H2SO4 into this test tube. This filter paper is moistened with diphenyl carbazide, so that we have to take observation. The paper turns violet red in color. After performing the practical, we move towards observation table. Let's start with description. Nature crystalline powder. Color, it is white in color or colorless, and it is odorless. That means it complies the test as per IP. Solubility, in water it is freely soluble, and in alcohol it is sparingly soluble. That means it complies the test as per IP. Identification test. Test A gives blue litmus paper remains unchanged. That means it complies the test as per IP. Test B, a yellow precipitate is produced. That means it complies the test as per IP. Test C, a curdy white precipitate is produced. That means it complies the test as per IP. And test D, the paper turns violet, red, blue. That means it complies the test as per IP. So, result, the given sample of ammonium chloride complies the test A, B, C, D as per IP for identification test. That means ammonium chloride NH4Cl, that gives NH4 plus Cl minus, and pharmaceutical category of the ammonium chloride is expectorant, diuretic and systemic acidifier. Thank you dear student for attending the session. Thank you.